Question number 3 wants us to find a linear regression, exponential regression, and logarithmic regression of the set of data. So we're going to run 3 different regressions on the same set of data and figure out which one is the best. So if you do linear regression, you should get 19.842x minus 16.264, and your R value is 0.9997. If you run an exponential regression on the same data, so you only need to enter the data once, and then you can just run multiple regressions on it. 3.233 times 2.068 raised to the x, and you get an R value of 0.9186. So that one's not quite as good. And then a logarithmic regression, y is equal to negative 2.749 plus 48.053 ln of x. And my R value is 0.9731. So if I plot the data, kind of looks like that. And it is the linear function which is the best. So we know that because it goes through the most dots, plus the R value is the closest to 1. So they're all pretty good models. The linear one is the best. And a lot of times in science, or if you're doing like a study or publishing a report for a journal, a lot of times you might not know how to model the function. Like you don't know if it's linear, or you don't know if it's exponential. But if you run all the regressions and then just compare your R values or look at the graph, then you can make a determination about what model best represents it. So sometimes we know going into it what it's going to be. Sometimes we don't know and we just try a bunch of different regressions, and whatever one works the best, that's what we're going to use.